Third. Gucci down to the socks like I'm Biggie Papa. Keep your girl here in my Tommy boxes. But when it out, she a silly hoe, cause she know the freaking style getting plenty dough. She don't get nothing from my nigga though. All she get is hard dick and some Cheerios. Kinda send it out, but I'm never out. But I put him in the dirt with the penny low. No tint though, on my window. So you see a nigga shining in that Benzo. Police got me feeling like Jim Jones. I'm a pimp though, no limp though. Couldn't copy my style in Kinko's. Put it work, run up on the killer, then I put him in the dirt. Run up in the building, so they gon' squirt. That's what a nigga get when they get into my nerves. I ain't lying. Lay him on the curb, riding on the killer who be coming that firm. Girl, you twerk, twerk that kitty, girl, make it turn. Put in work. Flacco, put him in the dirt. Fresh got the shovel, he gon' put him in the earth. Trinidad maniac with it all gon' hurt. Yeah, put in work. Schoolboy Q with a pound of the perk. So much work, he'll smoke up the earth. Polo ground, ASAP work.
That ain't Kanye, nope. That's Montana, a loose cannon. He shot me, so I had to do it. Put him in the dirt, put him in the first. I just saw him swimming with 10 homies on. Her ass fat, you can park 10 Tahoes on. When they mask up, coming for your ice. When they big face, they coming for your life. Baby, don't break for me, break for the weak. I'm drinking lean, it help me sleep. Illuminati, I'm from the streets. Never saw my body, we taking bodies.
Put in work, put in work, put in work, put him in that dirt.
Shout out that brother, 12 years old with guns in hand. Trinidad, I love you. I do this for them shotters. Jamaica, I'm your brother. I know what this will be out. Yeah, that's my partner. You got a problem with it, then that's your problem. I fuck with Asian niggas, and I fuck with Nino. I fuck with Asian niggas. All they speak is Creole. I said all I speak is real. Y'all niggas might hate me, but that don't get no deal. I said now that don't get no deal. I just not got my deal, but I been getting this money. No green card in this struggle. Immigration give you nothing but work, nigga, work, nigga, work, nigga, work.
A lot of niggas got shot, came from the street. No, I do not have a car, but I could buy one every week. Pimpin' like I'm 33, Mookie's like I'm 36, Chipos like I'm 28, Tacoma, no, I'm pushing weight. OXY, I'm in your state, eating off your dinner plate. My heart live with